Let's go for delivery. I'm back from delivery and I have this package to unbox. I ordered for Parfait cups and separator from Lagos and they arrived at Abuja a few days ago. So my brother went to the park to pick up this package for me, but I haven't had the time to unbox it yet. But I'll be doing it together with you all. We are going to find out what I have in here together. So guys, I have my cups. What I need now is customers. If you stay in Abuja and you're yet to order my yogurt parfait, what are you waiting for? You're missing out on the best parfait in Abuja. This is not me bragging, but I make the best yogurt parfait. Like, my yogurt does not slap, and the toppings, like the fillings, are a lot. And my price is also very affordable. My prices are affordable considering the value you're getting. It's very affordable. A trial will convince you. don't sleep on this. I make the best yogurt parfait. You just have to try it to find out. So this is what I have here. I have my cups, I have my separator. Separator is what I use to separate the other ingredients from the yogurt. The main reason why I get my parfait cups from Lagos is because of the separator. When I started using separator, I looked for separator in Abuja. I went to most of the markets. I went to Wuse market, Gariki market, Utako market to look for separator, but I couldn't find it. I just saw one in a shop in Gariki, but they just had one pack left. So I had to look for it in Lagos, and we are lucky to get it. So that's the reason I get my cups from Lagos, and it's also cheaper in Lagos. So guys, my Parfait cups are here. What I need now is customers. Please patronize me. Patronize me, patronize me, patronize me. I'm going to show you how I package my Parfait for supermarkets and eateries. I use a separator to separate the yogurt from the other ingredients. But for immediate consumption, I add everything together, the fruits and the nuts. I do it this way for supermarkets because sometimes it's not sold out in a day, and if I put everything together inside the cup, the fruits and the nuts tend to get soggy. So to prevent that from happening, I use a separator to separate the nuts from the yogurt. I also got spoons. So guys, like, I'm very ready for this business. Please disturb me with your orders. Share this video. Tell someone to tell someone. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Treat Heaven yogurt parfait and banana bread.